Built American has got some great new innovations coming for Cerakote applicators. We're talking about booths, ovens, and accessories. In this video, we're going to show the new BAE-0300 oven. Hey guys, Gavin Gu here from UltimateReloader.com. We just got the BAE-0300 oven. It was a super smooth delivery. The truck backed up. He used the lift gate to basically roll it with a pallet jack right to this spot right here. I'm gonna waste no time and get this uncrated so that we can see what's inside. So we got the top shell off, and you can see here that we've got moving blankets all the way around. It's really nice with extra plastic wrap there. So that's what I'm going to attack next. All right, the oven is in place. What we did was we got the machine the rest of the way unwrapped, and it came on a pallet. Right after we took off the shell, we put a couple 2x4s next to the pallet and moved it off of the pallet until one edge was on the 2x4, tilted it back, pulled the pallet, put that edge on the floor, pushed the other side, got the 2x4s out. And once you get it onto the concrete slab, these ovens move around pretty easily, actually. The BAE-0200 came with casters. We actually installed those and moved it out of the way so that we have a spot for the BAE-0300. Inside, what we found was things were packed really nice. You can see here we have the cart. There's an owner's manual here. This mostly covers the PID controller, the graphical user interface, and the different things that you need to know for the remote monitoring. This has built-in Wi-Fi. So this is great to get you off and running there. And then the cart has these troughs where the heat-safe steel wheels roll right in, but there are also insulated sections on either side. So we have maximum heat retention, but we have the convenience of having this cart that comes out, and we could even have multiple carts and have this cooling off, have some other racked parts, roll it right in. This is going to be a real game changer for high quality, small part type stuff. Okay, what I'm going to do next, this is exciting, is cut the ties on the cable. We've got zip ties, get it plugged in, and we'll get the machine turned on. Okay, so let's see what happens as we boot up things for the first time. There we go. So we hit the entry button, instrument. See what we're setting is recipe 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. We're going to go ahead and run that. So this oven sounds a little bit different. The recirculating fan has been redesigned on this one for better uniform temperatures and basically better air mixing inside the oven. So now it's time to close things up and kind of let things bake off for the first time. So we've got the Cerakote applied to all of the parts. I carefully racked them so that they won't bang around when we're moving the cart into the oven. We've flashed for 15 minutes since the last coat, and I have a program running at 250 degrees. We'll let that run for about 2 hours with the parts inside. Now this is where the magic happens, right? Now, instead of having to manipulate each part and place them in the oven individually, I can take the rack and roll it right in all at once. This is awesome. Okay. Very carefully put everything in place. Good to go. To turn the oven off and see what we've got going on in here. Looking good. So I'll tell you, that saves a lot of time compared to individually racking and then taking each piece and racking it manually in the oven when that curing time starts. This is really great. We could have another rack ready to go, roll it right in, shut the door, and go for another cure cycle, and so on and so forth. So I'll have to say, in terms of the BAE-0300, I am totally sold.